So welcome back everyone, Mike here. In today's video, we're going to go over a new shotgun that I just picked up the other day. But before I do that, I have just two things that I want to go over real quickly. Number one, Woodstack 2018. If you haven't already, please go to our Facebook page, Outdoors with the Morgans. Scroll through the posts. There's 4 of them you're looking for. Perfect stack of firewood, most creative stack of firewood, the Get Her Done group, and the 4th and final category is for other YouTube channels to submit their pictures. But there's a ton of good pictures there. Some people did some real quality work, and we only have another day or so and the voting will end. So go scroll through all the pictures and click like on your favorites. You can click like as many as you want, and if you're a contestant in Woodstack 2018, feel free to share those posts and maybe you'll get more likes. But once again, the 5 finalists will be determined by the most number of likes. Second thing that I want to mention in regards to Facebook made me think of this. The other day, Melissa posted a picture of our son Hunter on there, and I want to thank everyone that had commented and liked that picture. See, Hunter is 26 years old. He has autism, he's nonverbal, and I have been hesitant up until this point to kind of include Hunter in some of the videos, and the reason is this. I mean, 99.9% of the comments that we get on our videos are positive. They're very nice people, like-minded people, but occasionally you get some crazies out there, and you know, anyone can say anything they want about me. I really don't care. But if it's somebody that I bring in, you know, into one of my videos, especially my son Hunter, I won't tolerate anything, you know, any bad comments towards him. But I think moving forward, you will see more of Hunter in the videos, and you know, if there's any problems arise, I'll deal with it. But anyway, let's take a look at this shotgun that we bought, and we'll do like a full review. Melissa and I are going to shoot it, and it should be pretty cool. All right, let's take a look at this shotgun. It's a Beretta A400 Excel. Your owner's manual, some other stuff, warranty information. It comes with 3 chokes. Comes with improved cylinder, improved modified and modified, some oil. But we'll put it together and go from there. All right, it goes together very easily. Take your end cap off. After the end cap, forearm, and you put your barrel on. It can be a little bit tricky lining it up, but not too bad. That's all there is to it. There are several different end caps that you can buy for this that are different weights. Each one will give the gun a different feel. The action is Beretta's blink system. They say it's very, very fast. They claim that you can shoot 4 rounds per second out of this gun. I don't know if that's possible or not, but we'll do our best. This also has Beretta's kickoff system, and what this is a recoil reducing system here. This has 2 cylinders in it and 3 springs, and Beretta claims it reduces recoil by 60%. We'll do a side-by-side comparison with this and the old 870, see if we can tell a big difference. But anyway, Melissa just got home. We're gonna go put this thing through the paces and see how it does. So I was in the market for quite a while looking for a shotgun, primarily to use to shoot sporting clays. Now, I have only shot sporting clays maybe 5 or 6 times in my entire life, so I am by no means an expert on it. However, each time that I went, I actually did pretty well, and I was just using my old 870, and I think I shot like a 60 one time, 65 one time, which wasn't too bad, you know, for not doing it that often. But I've always wanted a nice shotgun to shoot sporting clays, so I did some research. And the more I looked into it, the more confused I got. I mean, I was very close to buying a Browning Maxxis Sporter, or Sporting, a very nice shotgun. I mean, if it wasn't that, it was going to be this. And then I stumbled upon this Beretta A400 Excel. Like I said, I wasn't sold on this blue receiver. That's not why I bought it, but it is starting to grow on me. I like the walnut stock. So this is what I settled on, and we're going to shoot it tonight. Melissa will be home in a little bit, and she'll shoot it as well, and we'll see how it does. All right, here's what we're going to be using. The Do All Outdoors white wing thrower. It works pretty well. I haven't used that thing, you know, for like thousands and thousands of clays or anything like that, but so far works flawlessly. We really like it. Here are the shells we're going to be using: 12 gauge, 2 3/4 inch, 8 shot. You ready to shoot something?
I'm ready.
You think you're going to be any good at this?
It's been a while, so no, I probably won't be.
All right, we'll see.
When I'm ready, I just yell 4, right?
No, you say pull. Whenever you're ready.
Pull.
Ready?
Pull.
Got it. Ready?
Pull.
2 out of 3 ain't bad.
I'm clipping them.
All right, pull. 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 All right, so far I got 3 out of 3. You got 2 out of 3, which is pretty good, right?
Yeah, I'm impressed with my.
What do you think so far? What's the recoil like?
There's none. It's smooth.
All right, maybe we'll do a. I'll have you shoot this and the 870 both.
Okay.
And we'll do them one right after the other, and I'll zoom in like on this part right here, and we'll see how this Beretta kickoff works on this.
Nice. Greta, come here. Come here, Greta. You want to shoot? Do you have a trigger wing?
I wouldn't walk in front of that, Greta.
Greta's brave. Ooh, they like the chestnuts too. Who knew?
Two for 2 there.
Nice.
All right. So you enjoy doing that?
Yes.
It's nice to have some sort of a hobby that, you know, when it's rainy and dreary like this, normally we like to do things on the property, but I think we'll do more of this. Like I said at the beginning, I am by no means a professional sporting clay shooter. I think I've gone 5 or 6 times in my life, but we'll go more often with this, and we'll shoot here quite often with it. But so far I really like the Beretta A400 Excel. It's nice and light.
It is.
The recoil,
Feels good.
not much to it, huh?
No.
Not much to it at all. And
It's nice to pull up tight. I feel safe. You're not hesitant to knowing it.
yeah, it's not gonna jar you.
Right.
Yeah.
And it shoots fast.
Yeah, it does shoot really fast. And like I said, you can replace these with weighted ones. You know, I'll get more into it, but I like the way it feels the way it is right now. But yeah, so far I'm very happy with it. If you have any suggestions on how we can shoot sporting clays better, feel free to offer those suggestions in the comments.
A suggestion is different than a criticism.
Oh yeah, a suggestion is different from a criticism. But
don't know how you say it.
believe me, I know after all these years, I can suggest things or I can criticize. Suggestions go much further. But you want to finish this up?
Okay, so anyways, if you like these videos, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share them with your friends.
Thanks.
See you downstairs.